7 things every beginner should know before trying the keto diet for weight loss. Please kindly do subscribe to this channel, also like the video, and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Thank you. When you're just starting out, preparing food while using the keto diet may seem like a major deal. A keto diet for beginners is, however, just as easy to prepare if you are familiar with these 7 things, as preparing any other meal for the day. 1. Being aware of the kinds of things you can and cannot eat while following a ketogenic diet. 2. When following a ketogenic diet, be mindful of your protein consumption. 3. Butter and coconut oil can be added to coffee to help you stay satisfied for a longer period of time. 4. Inform your family members about your nutrition and weight loss objectives. 5. Recognize potential side effects before beginning a ketogenic diet to lose weight. 6. You can include a lot of electrolytes to help your body work properly and prevent the unwanted effects from occurring. 7. Recognizing when you are not healthy enough to follow a ketogenic diet and stop it. If you wanted to get a custom keto diet or dessert made up for you, just click on this link in the description below for more recipes.